Alpheus Campbell.
Alpheus Campbell.
Yeah.
Awesome. So, a tree fell down, a big tree, huh? And that you just let the wood. Oh, wait.
Here you have some places.
Oh.
Places.
Okay, I didn't even see them. Oh, and look at that pineapple.
You're not gonna see everything so evil.
Oh, that's the trick. Oh, that's cool.
It's not fully aggressive.
Oh, that's what it is.
It's not fully complete.
Not
So
finished yet, you know. Most of it only just map out like, you know.
yeah, just to let you
Don't
know
get the
that.
details of it, you know.
Yeah, you see that up
The
there? That's the
detail.
alligator.
The details. will
Like
show it up,
alligator?
you know.
Oh, the alligator, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's, you want people to look and look and look for hidden.
Yeah, see, the alligator out here, so.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So how long have you been working on this piece?
Almost 1 year now.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it takes a lot of time, you know?
Oh, two people kissing.
Yeah. Man and a woman.
Do you have a favorite thing you did? Not really, just everything? Wait a minute, that's cool. A woman's body, like without a head?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
And that's another one body here. But the hand set down, you know, like it have one right here. That's the face gonna be right there, you know. Yeah.
What else is hidden?
That's another woman, that's another woman right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's her head gonna be right there.
What is that thing?
And her head.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Gonna be right there.
Yeah. So you've got like a lot of things that you haven't got to, but you've kind of like going to.
He's just doing to get
It
to.
seems like it's all women. Here's another woman. What's on your mind?
Yeah, man, that's another one here.
Yeah, nothing.
You got women on your mind, huh?
His mind is from a lady, so he has to promote the ladies. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
This
It's
tree, you
cool.
call this tree a almond tree.
Are you think? Oh, this is an almond tree?
Cedar.
Oh, it's a cedar tree, huh?
Cedar.
So it's going to last forever because it's great outdoor wood. Are you going to stain it?
Yeah.
Cool. And are you going to varnish it?
Varnish, yes, sir.
Cool.
I mean, a little stain depends, you know.
Are you doing other projects than this, and you just come back, or this is it?
Well, kind of. But I do the most time on this, you know.
Yeah. Do you have different saws and stuff? Oh, here are your tools.
Yeah.
Chisels and cool.
Yeah.
All right, man. Nice meeting you. What was your name again?
Alpheus Campbell.
Alpheus Campbell. Cool.
You want to leave me a tip too?
Sure. That's a cool first name.
Yeah.
Alpheus.
Yeah.
Is there a story behind that name?
Well, I used to, even in the Bible, Jamaican Bible, the Bible they give in Jamaica. Alpheus Campbell. Alpheus is in it, you know. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, in the Jamaican Bible.
Yeah.
Or the Bible, or
It's the Bible. I was the Jamaican Bible.
Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't know if there was. The Bible's the Bible.
Was in Jamaica.
Okay,
the Bible
well.
that they wrote for us in Jamaica here.
Yeah, that's what I mean when I say Jamaican Bible.
Yeah.
Different than the Bible.
Listen up. You have two Bibles.
Uh-oh. Oh, okay.
You have two Bibles.
Okay. Right, so actually I just saw some things. Is this like a deer or something?
Yeah.
Okay. And elephant
Yeah.
and
Elephant.
another elephant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thanks a lot. Nice meeting you.